Check out the mountain back here too, hugging this place. Pretty magical, Logan?
Man, it's like
Out of,
great magic land.
yeah,
How they can describe it.
out of a Harry Potter novel.
Yeah.
It's like we're going to find Voldemort's Horcrux.
I can't believe the vibe here, man.
이 소나무 여기서 이제 편치든 가면 좋은 게 나온다고.
So these are all pine trees. And they really look like dragons, you know? 내가 이 나무들이 용처럼 생겼다고. Is this the linen shirt that you were modeling with?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, really.
From one of the hippie people in Philippines.
Yeah, it matches you and it matches the forest surroundings.
I feel like I'm in a video game when I wear this one.
Logan has peer pressured us into barefooting.
I was feeling the peer pressure just in my own mind.
Oh my gosh, what a spiritual peer pressurer. Check out the mountain back here too, hugging this place.